Like, I couldn't be there.
Why are you in Cape Town with no pictures, though?
Yeah, some of us don't like posting everything.
A personal
Photographer.
If you are willing to be
Why?
no pay, then yes.
The pensioner you're with couldn't take photos.
Huh?
Mm.
So what happened? Went back to the hotel.
I'm listening. I'm interested. I'm intrigued.
Are you gonna let me finish, Nota?
Yeah, I will. Came back to the hotel with who?
Alone, Nota.
Yeah, say that.
Why must I say that? Why is it important for me to say that?
Okay.
Yes. I went back to the hotel in the morning. We woke up. I woke up.
We woke up.
I must now also make you. What, for the first time I entered Varsity.
Damn.
Wow. Went to Varsity for the first time.
Shit.
Crazy business. Mtibangena laphana abantu baphuma namagawn lezi zintweni lezi zo graduate and
Academic
I
regalia.
look shit, I'm in Varsity.
Academic regalia. It's academic.
Anginandaba mina ngiyazi.
I was looting academic very.
Eish. So you guys just gonna watch?
No, hold on, you went to a
Your
book
turn is
launch.
coming.
Yeah, you're going now. That's
Yeah.
You went to a book launch. Tell us what you read.